Not only did the team at Northwell Health give us a second chance at life,
but they gave us a second chance at love.
I was diagnosed with congestive heart failure, which led to me receiving a left ventricular assist device. It took time, feeling alone, not knowing anyone who had one before me. I developed an infection. I was told I needed a heart transplant.
I had some symptoms, coughing, shortness of breath, fatigue. When I went to the hospital, I was diagnosed with congestive heart failure. Northwell recommended LVAD.
In the first year of heart transplant, we are most susceptible to disease and infection as we're regulating our medications. And unfortunately, I caught pneumonia, which landed me back in the cardiac ICU. One afternoon, one of the nurses came into my room and said, "We have a young gentleman that just received an LVAD, and we believe he could benefit from hearing your experience with it."
No one will understand what it is like to have an LVAD or a transplant unless they actually went through it. As providers, we could explain it to them, but we never went through it and we didn't live with it.
I walked over to his room and gave him some education on how to make this transition a smooth one. If he had any questions, I would be the person he could talk to.
It was good to just see someone else. Could still walk, could still talk. We spoke for a little bit. I found out she was from Queens, Trinidad background, just like me, similar in age.
So we stayed in contact.
And he said, "Hey, let's meet up and get a drink or something, have something to eat."
I said, "Actually, my birthday is December 1st. Why don't you could take me out for my birthday?" And we've been inseparable ever since.
The more time we spent together, the more we realized what we had in common and what we wanted out of life.
We got married on December 8th of 2024. During our vows, we smiled at each other when we said in sickness and in health, because we already have each other in sickness. And of course, we're gonna continue to love and support each other in health.
Nobody gets a mechanical heart pump or a heart transplant if they're well. You have to be really sick to get one of these therapies. And so you take people who are really sick and then you give them new life. It's so exciting that not only are they restarting their lives with healthy hearts, but then they found each other and they could do this together.
As far as faith, I do believe the Lord presented the opportunity and we took advantage of it.
It brought about such a beautiful union and one that's gonna last forever. We thank Northwell Health for bringing us together. Happy Valentine's Day!